let's just go out there. It's only a little drop.
Ferns are gorgeous. They're so green.
I know it's always you go from like real bright reds and the the
evergreen, which is kind of washed out looking.
Yeah. And then you get the bright green moss and ferns. And then you'll be back to the white aspens, and
Yep.
it's such a dramatic difference in color. Which I guess is probably why they call it colorful Colorado.
I really wish we had a bar that went across the middle.
Why is your own driving scaring you?
No, just because it would be easier than bouncing around so much. But I drive with my left hand. I can't drive with my right hand.
Look at you. I'm pinstriping. More chipmunks. They have no shortage of chipmunks here.
Nope. That tree a couple of times.
Yeah, looks like it.
Probably with a dozer or something.
We're trying to squeeze past each other.
Yeah. There ain't no room for squeezing past anybody at the moment.
I say again, are you sure this is not a one-way? I really wish it would be.
Is the trail that bad?
Is it a bad sign when you come to the tree that says trust Jesus and you're on a trail? What is in front of us?
That was a tight turn there.
Yeah, got pictures of both roads from the car. It was interesting. Nice switchbacks on these trails.
Yeah, that last one was tight. I couldn't see your edge, so I wasn't sure how close I needed to get, or could get. I took a little wider than I needed to.
They've been banking high on that. That's, you got plenty of room over here. Here's a puddle, but you got lots of rain. Look like our good old Arkansas clay.
Yeah, it did. I've noticed that here. There's all kinds of dirt. There's like the red clay dirt, and then there's like this grayish stuff, and then there's good earth. Like, you know, they got the grass growing on. That's pretty good dark dirt.
I think they were saying the grayish stuff is like sediment from the wash down. A wide variety.
Gotta do some bouncing before we get there.
Bigger roads.
Shake up everything. Bottom down there somewhere, right?
Yep.
Okay.
Just keep going. You'll find it. Now coming up at that angle, it doesn't really look like it.
No.
So it just falls off.
There was a mine somewhere. We missed it. Anyway.
I haven't seen it yet, no. You get over here, you got the drop off.
Do I have more room over there?
You got plenty of room over here. Okay.
Come that way a little bit.
Good.
Our Jeep buddies missed out on this one, huh?
Yeah, they should have come with us. We seem to be getting narrower and narrower.
That's alright, we're not that wide.
Sort of has that lost in the jungle feel to it though.
Pretty little creek over here.
But is there a moose?
No moose.
Butterflies are going to go everywhere when you drive this. More creek.
Yeah, it's in the road.
Yes, I see that.
Look at all the butterflies.
More butterflies. More chipmunks. No moose, no elk, no deer, but 3 million chipmunks. says, "You idiot, why did you bring a vehicle down this road?" Definitely see God's hands at work out here, hey?
Always, yeah. It just amazes me.
Butterflies can go along with this, apparently.
Yeah, that's a really nice campsite. That's cool looking.
It is. There's just a little bit of every scenery down through here.
Made a road down the middle of the riverbed.
Is that what you call this? A road? No, we called it a four-wheeler trail that we stole. We tagged it along. We get ourselves in more trouble following four-wheelers.
Trouble, personally.
Okay, we get ourselves in more adventures following four-wheelers.